Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video is all about Amazon haul. So all the items are kitchen related, so that's why I'm shooting in my kitchen. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's just straight away jump into the video. So the first one is this oil dispenser. So this is from the brand Home Center actually, but I bought it from Amazon, and all the prices and the links I'll give in the description box, so you can check it out, because in Amazon all the prices keep changing, so I am not mentioning any of the prices here. Yeah, this is the first one, and this is an oil dispenser, and it has this silicone brush. You can see, yeah, this is a silicone brush, and of course it's from Home Center, a very good quality one. It comes really handy when you make dosas, chapatis and all, something like that. So yeah, this one. And next one is this cutter. So you can cut any veggies with this one. It is actually a really good one and very sharp one actually. So yeah, nice one. It has this clip type of thing over here, so you can just press this and keep it inside, so it just gets locked. So yeah, this is the second one. And yeah. next one is this one from Wonder Chef. It's a Nutri blender, and I have taken in Nutri blender, actually they have so many combos, okay, but I have taken this one. This one comes with 2 jars, that's it, nothing else. So this one and this one is for blending and one is for grinding. And they have the color options also. I think they have this gray color and red color, and if I'm not wrong, they have in blue as well. The one. So the next one is this veggie chopper, and this one is from brand Pigeon. So it's just see, you can just put your veggies in this and just pull it off. So you can chop like how much ever fine you want, you can just chop it with this. I have mentioned this in my must have kitchen tools video, so I will link that video also in the description box. In this also you have 2 sizes. This is the smaller one, and there is another one which is slightly bigger than this, so I have taken this one. So yeah, all the links will be in the description box. So and the next one is this steel plate rack. So this one I wanted to keep my all glass plates on my countertop, so I have taken this one. This is very affordable and it is very sturdy, so such a nice quality one actually. So yeah, this is the next one. And the next one is this tissue roll holder. So this is also very affordable and it has so many designs, so but I have taken this one, and a very nice one actually. So you can check this out, it's a metal one. So and yeah, and the next one is the container. So I have all started using it already. So yeah, this is it here. So this is from the Amazon home brand, it is from Solimo, and this is set of 3. And yeah, it is a very sturdy one actually, a very nice quality one. So it has this pull out thing, see, it has this pull out thing, so where you can just pull it out and then pour it like this. So yeah, and close it off, and a very nice one. I like this kind of transparent containers, so I just gave a try. This one, just wanted to check the quality of this one, so I have bought this one. I guess this is a 1000 ml capacity one. Yeah. And next one is this soap dispenser. All the products I have started using it already. So yeah, I finally got some time to record this video. So yeah, this one is a dispenser, soap dispenser. So this I keep it on my countertop, so it looks good actually, instead of keeping that Pril or Vim containers over there. So you can definitely go with this, and it gives that nice look on your kitchen countertop as well. So yeah, this is my next one. Next is this Prestige pressure cooker, and this one actually it is 3 liters capacity one, and it has this another pressure release thing over here. So it is a really good one. Actually all the products I got it in discounts only, so the MRP is different and the products prices which I got are like different. I've bought all these products in minimum 30 to 40% discount, so you can definitely go check it out once. And yeah, So next is this combo set, and this is from brand Wonder Chef, and a 3-piece set combo, and in this you will get one kadai, and it is pretty good enough for like 2 to 3 people. So yeah, this one. And next you will get one fry pan, and I just did that. And next one, okay, so next in this you will get one dosa tawa. You have few more color options in this as well. And next is this chopping board. This is such a huge one actually, and little heavy also, but yeah, it is very nice to serve and shoot videos and click pictures, right? Yeah, I click pictures on this and I shoot some videos on this one. So but yeah, I suggest you not to, you know, cut directly on this one, because you know, it is a wood. Of course you will have this scratches over here. So I suggest you to buy one mat. Right now I don't have that one. I am planning to buy that one. So anyway, I'll leave that product link also in the description box, so you can check that out. You know, once in a while apply some sesame oil on this one, so it gives that nice shine, you know. So just apply it and then leave it off. So yeah, this is my next one, and it is really big one. Yeah. With that, I'm done with this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.